Elon has a weird shaped body. Like, he looks like he swallowed a Cybertruck. Like, he looks like he takes steroids but doesn't work out. He has all the retard but none of the strength. Now they're trying to justify the thing. Fucking saying he's just speaking from the heart. So was Hitler. Blaming autism. I'm tired of these assholes acting like assholes and then saying they have autism. I call them out. Like, show me your papers. And if they call me an asshole, I tell them I'm autistic.